and welcome back to Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we'll be making shepherd's pie. Let's get started. So first, we're gonna shuck and roast the corn.
It's tough, isn't it?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yay, finally got it. I have big muscles. Now we're done shucking.
Let's season and roast the corn.
So let's season the corn. Sweet.
These are a special blend of seasonings.
Attract the corn.
Get all four of them, buddy.
Now let's roast the corn to 425 degrees.
For
And
30
30
minutes.
minutes.
There you go.
R.I.P. to the corn.
Oh, yeah.
R.I.P. to the corn.
That's gonna be good, buddy.
So my dad is chopping the onion. It actually smells good. But you guys in the audience, if you don't think it smells good, I think this onion was grown good. That's why. Time just fell out of the chopping board.
It's slippery. This onion getting old. It's an old onion. It's starting to release its gases.
Yeah, but why is
Liquids.
it smelling so good if it's old?
It's releasing the gases in this cellular molecular level. No, but seriously, so in the shepherd's pie, you know, it doesn't typically have corn in it, but there are some versions of it that does.
Well, what's with the yellow?
Oh, that's just from the stem. The bulbous part of the onion when it first started growing as a baby onion.
Baby.
All right, so now we're gonna brown the meat.
Yes. We're gonna get to that.
We're gonna saute these onions and brown the meat, and then that'll be the second component.
Okay. Now we're gonna saute the onions and brown the meat.
Good.
Or should I say
That's a
ground
little-
beef?
That's a little too much, but we'll rock with it. Hold on. It'll get hot a little bit.
Oh, I can feel the steam. I think it's gonna pop on me.
All right, there you go. Try it. Let's see what happens. Dump it. Hurry up, man. Move too slow.
Something stuck.
That's how you get burned in the kitchen. Procrastinate. Can't be slow. Just do it. Do it fast.
At least it didn't pop on me. I saw like a.
All right, get some salt and sugar and sprinkle a little bit on there.
Okay.
Salt and pepper and sugar.
Okay.
I got fresh rosemary outside. We'll go get that. I'm gonna go cut some.
Okay.
All right.
We will.
We'll be right back.
So we add rosemary and garlic.
But where did the rosemary come from?
From our garden.
We got fresh rosemary growing outside, so we had to go chop that up real quick.
Yep.
I love that little rosemary bush.
Yeah.
Add some fresh garlic,
Dad.
salt and pepper.
Dad,
What's up?
do we have the salt and pepper yet?
Right here.
Okay.
Add a little pepper.
This is gonna be good. I hope you fans like it as well.
There you go.
Once we cook it.
There's some pepper. Add a little bit of salt.
We set the onion mix to the side. Now we're browning the meat. So we browned the meat. Now we're gonna season it.
We have to put our onions back in here. There you go.
Thank you. So that's how you season it. You put the onion mix in it, huh, Dad?
And then we still gotta add more seasoning to the meat. Hurry up. There we go. We got the onions mixed back in. Got a little Montreal steak seasoning. Got a little salt, pepper. There you go, buddy. Stir that around. So that's the base of the shepherd's pie. Looking good, buddy.
That corn looks good.
Alright. So we got the corn, the ground beef. Now let's do the mashed potatoes.
Yeah. So we put the ground beef in a casserole dish. Now let's save the corn. Now my dad is gonna shave the corn. Now we're gonna put the corn on top of the ground beef.
Get your spoon, get your spatula out of there.
So now we flatten this out. Yeah. Like the ground beef. This side more on this side. And then we're gonna add the mashed potatoes.
Yep.
Yum yum.
And then we bake it and brown off the mashed potatoes, and there's your shepherd's pie.
First, let's melt the butter to make mashed potatoes. Now let's put the water in it.
Now let's add the milk. Also add salt and pepper. There you go. So you bring that milk up to a nice little simmer and let it get hot. And we'll add it to the instant mashed potatoes. Now normally we don't have to use instant, we could use real, but for the sake of time, we just use some instant mashed potatoes. That's
Really?
fine. Yeah. One day we'll probably do a show about using real mashed potatoes.
Maybe.
All right, cool.
Now we add the milk to the instant potatoes.
Stop it. Give about 10 seconds of that.
What's that sound, Dad?
Oh, that's the stove. All right, starting to look good. Let me thin this out. Now we're gonna add some sour cream to this and give it some more flavor. Let make it really pop.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, now we add the sour cream. Yeah, let's get that off there. Just dump all that in there.
Sour cream. I'm gonna try to taste it. I'm gonna try to taste the mashed potatoes to see how good it is.
We can put garlic in there. We can put horseradish sauce in here. So
I want to put garlic in there if I were you.
We'll do that on the next one. All right, now we add this to the corn and beef.
And we're gonna see how we're gonna taste. I want to try to taste first.
So now we're gonna add the potatoes on top of that.
Corn
and beef. Mm-hmm.
Corn and beef, mashed potatoes. And I think we're gonna flatten it as well.
Yep. That's exactly what we're gonna do.
I guessed it.
Make the top of the shepherd's pie. Ooh wee!
That looks like cream, like you know, like cream when you put the cream and cherry on top of the cream.
Mm-hmm. You just flatten that out a little bit. Make sure you cover all the corners. Don't leave any pockets. There we go. Let me show you a little trick.
That looks like a world of snow.
Yeah.
The corn is the grass, even though it doesn't have grain on it. And the beef is under the surface level. And that's snow. That's deep, 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 deep snow. Deep snow.
You're gonna make a couple little lines in there. All right. A little dash of danger. That's what I'm doing, baby. A dash of danger.
Danger!
You know what I call a dash of danger?
It's like hot lava. No, you're messing up the snow.
You know what I call a dash of danger?
What?
That Cajun seasoning, baby. That's a dash of danger.
Boy.
A dash of danger.
Boy.
All right. Now we get this in the oven for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Probably not even that long. We probably do it for 6 to 10 minutes.
What?
Yep, on 425.
That mashed potato looks.
It's gonna make a nice little crust.
That mashed potato looks like snow.
Oh, I'm about to
Like
change all
snow.
that, but.
Don't, please.
All right, let's get this in the oven.
Okay.
We'll see what it looks like in about 10 to 15 minutes.
Yay.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that right there. Oh, yeah. You sprinkle the butter all over the mashed potatoes. Look at that.
Yeah.
It looks amazing, doesn't it?
Yes.
Doesn't it? Oh, look at that.
You did.
Look at that.
You did ruin the mashed potatoes.
There you go.
It
Now-
doesn't look like snow anymore.
Now let's bake that.
Okay. So here is our shepherd's pie. And I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a comments below and smash that like button. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.